Welcome to the Ultimate UI/UX Design course. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced designer, this is your step-by-step guide to mastering UI/UX. Get ready for hands-on learning, practical projects, and real-world insights. We will cover everything from basic principles to advanced concepts, ensuring that you can confidently design intuitive and visually appealing digital products. Let's dive right in. Understanding UI/UX design. First, let's clarify UI and UX. UI, or user interface, refers to the graphical layout of an application. It includes buttons, typography, color schemes, layouts, and all the visual elements a user interacts with on a screen. The goal of UI design is to create aesthetically pleasing and functional interfaces. UX, or user experience, focuses on how users interact with the product. It's about understanding the user's journey, ensuring smooth navigation, and optimizing the overall usability. UX design involves user research, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing to create seamless digital experiences. A great UI is useless without a strong UX. A stunning website or app must also be easy to navigate, responsive, and intuitive. Our goal? To create visually stunning and seamlessly functional designs. Research and user insights. Before designing, research is key. User research. This involves gathering information about the target audience to understand their needs, behaviors, and pain points. Common methods include surveys and questionnaires, used to collect data from users about their experiences and expectations. User interviews. Conduct in-depth conversations with users to gain insights into their pain points. Competitor analysis. Study similar products to identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. User personas. Create fictional characters that represent different user types. A persona includes demographics like age, gender and occupation, goals and frustrations, and preferred devices along with tech proficiency. User journey mapping. This involves mapping out the step-by-step journey a user takes while interacting with the product. It helps identify friction points and areas for improvement. Empathy maps. A powerful tool that helps designers understand user emotions, thoughts, and pain points by visualizing user behavior and motivations. Wireframing and sketching. Now it's time to sketch. Wireframing. A wireframe is a low-fidelity blueprint of a website or app. It shows the basic structure and layout without colors, images, or detailed design elements. Use pen and paper or digital tools like Figma, which is a collaborative interface design tool. Adobe XD is another option, offering powerful UI/UX design capabilities. And then there's Sketch, a macOS-based tool for UI/UX design. The goal of wireframing is to establish the foundation of the design before adding aesthetics. Low-fidelity wireframes are basic sketches, while high-fidelity wireframes include more details like typography, color schemes, and button designs. Once wireframes are ready, bring them to life with high-fidelity prototypes. Prototyping is essentially a working model of the final design. It includes colors, fonts, and images, as well as interactive elements like buttons and menus. Plus, it allows for simulated user interactions. Tools for prototyping include Figma, which allows interactive prototyping with easy collaboration. InVision is best for sharing prototypes and collecting feedback. Adobe XD provides an all-in-one UI/UX solution with prototyping capabilities. A well-built prototype helps visualize how the final product will look and function before development begins. Visual design and branding. Now let's talk about aesthetics. Color theory. Colors impact user emotions and behavior. Choose a color palette that aligns with the brand's identity. Monochromatic variations of a single color. Analogous. Colors next to each other on the color wheel. Complementary. Colors opposite each other on the color wheel. Typography fonts convey mood and readability. Best practices include using no more than 2 font families, ensuring proper line height and spacing for readability, and prioritizing legible fonts for mobile and desktop. Grid systems. Maintain consistency by aligning UI elements to a structured grid layout. Interaction and micro-interactions. Great UI/UX isn't just static, it's interactive. Micro-interactions are small, functional animations that improve user experience. Examples include button hover effects, loading animations, and swipe gestures. Responsive design means ensuring the UI works seamlessly across different screen sizes and devices. Dark mode and accessibility-friendly interfaces are also important, considering multiple viewing preferences to enhance usability. Usability testing. Next, test your design. User testing methods include moderated testing, where a facilitator observes users as they navigate the interface, A/B testing, which compares two versions of a design to determine which performs better, and heat maps. Tools like Hotjar analyze user behavior. The iterative design process involves a few key steps. First, collect feedback. Then, make improvements based on that feedback. Finally, retest your design. Accessibility and inclusive design ensure your designs are usable by everyone. Follow the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, for compliance. Key considerations include proper color contrast, keyboard navigation, alt text for images, and voice control compatibility. For experienced designers, it's time to explore advanced UI/UX strategies. Motion design can be enhanced using After Effects to add animations. When designing for AR and VR, consider the user experience in immersive environments. And don't forget about Voice UI, designed for smart assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Building a portfolio. Your work needs visibility, case studies. Document your process, including research, wireframes, and final designs. Platforms. Upload work on Dribbble, Behance, and a personal website. Landing a job or freelance work. Build a strong resume and online presence. Optimize LinkedIn. Showcase skills and past projects. Apply on job portals Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn Jobs. Final project and certification. Apply your knowledge with a real-world project. Create a UI/UX design for a website or app. Share it online for feedback. Earn a certification. Congratulations! You now have the foundation to become a UI/UX designer. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop improving. Like and subscribe for more design content. See you in the next video.